I built a lot of stuff over the years with a tool like this, dozens of pole barns, a couple of houses, and even a couple of commercial buildings. But when I transitioned from construction to furniture and cabinet making, I left my old friend behind, along with my tool belt. But now, Woodpecker's newest family of squares combines all the best features of a carpenter square with Woodpecker's passion for precision and accuracy. Introducing the SkillSquares. We machine SkillSquares from stainless steel to the same tolerance as our legendary precision woodworking squares. The blade is 1/3 the thickness of a traditional carpenter square, putting the scale closer to your material for better accuracy. Speaking of the scale, the laser engraved angle and inch markings are crisp and sharp and will never wear off. My favorite feature of the SkillSquare is the complete set of scribing guides along the top edge, all the way from 1/8 inch to 6 inches in 1/8 inch increments. Just drop any marking device in the laser cut notch and scribe perfectly parallel to the material edge. If you're framing, you have another set of scribing guides on 1/4 inch centers that are tailor-made for a carpenter's pencil. Marking angles, whether it's for furniture construction or rafter framing, takes a huge leap forward with SkillSquare too. The pivot point is well defined and reinforced with stainless steel for a lifetime of accuracy. Just pivot off the point and use the scale that matches your project. Degrees, common rafter pitch, or hip and valley rafter pitch. There are 4 models of the SkillSquare, 2 styles, each available with 2 different base materials. The phenolic base on the JS models is designed to take the rough and tumble life of job site work. The XT model adds another feature that takes the tool to another level. Once you're away from the end of your board, the scale on a carpenter square is useless. The shoulder that makes the tool what it is keeps you from using the scale. SkillSquare XT adds a second scale outside the beam, letting you measure accurately in the middle of your construction. You can buy any of the 4 SkillSquares individually, or you can get them in pairs, either both styles in anodized aluminum or both styles in solid phenolic. Both come with a wall-mountable racket to keep your SkillSquare in plain sight and ready to go to work. Whether you're building, remodeling, or making furniture, you'll love SkillSquares. The speed and convenience of the traditional carpenter square amped up with Woodpecker's commitment to quality materials and precision manufacturing. Order yours today.